I found out about Bridgewater through the local community and I've started volunteering. I have quite a stressful job. I have a very emotionally demanding job, and just being out in the woods or digging a ditch or digging a trench, anything that we're doing, all that seems to melt away.
I've always found gardening really important for keeping me as close to sane as I get, really, and grounded, literally, and enjoy the creativity of it.
RHS Bridgewater is the largest gardening project in Europe at this point in time. Over 700 local people have helped us to realise the vision for this site.
A group of young people they've got on their autumn programme are here today to do a new raised bed. Being outside and having to do a physical, practical project like this is a really good team working and bonding tool.
You know, the people that we've met, I see them shopping sometimes because we live nearby. Yeah, I suppose friends for life now, you know, we'll see them.
You can just concentrate on what you're doing, you know, whilst chatting to other people, and it just gives you a really good sense that you're doing something positive.
We're, you know, natural beings. We should be part of nature. It should be integrated into our lives a lot more than it is.
We understand that being outdoors and being around plants and taking part in garden activities does something really important on a fundamental level that improves our mental well-being. But for me, the key thing it does is it really brings people together with a sort of shared goal, their confidence raised and a pride created in their local neighbourhood through gardening activities.
You make friends with really diverse people and from such different career backgrounds as well.
So you've got old people, young people, you've got disabled people, you've got fully able people, all mixing together, all talking, all getting on and all doing the gardening.
It's working with other people that you don't work with, and then you become best friends with them.
Getting to meet new people and also making a park that's local to me a lot nicer.
So there's always stories being shared whilst we're gardening, and that's such a wonderful thing because it means people feel quite connected to here and also connecting up with each other.
So if you want to make great friends through gardening, there are many ways you can do it. You can come and help volunteer at a garden, you can join a community group, you can go to Britain in Broom, or you could simply go next door and swap some plants with your friends.